Welcome to Best Buy Report. The best electric snow shovel is probably one of the most underrated tools for winter. Imagine effortlessly clearing your sidewalks and driveways without the strain of traditional shoveling. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of electric snow shovels, focusing on the corded models, and explore their features, benefits, and what makes them a game changer for snow removal. Get ready to say goodbye to backaches and hello to a quicker, easier way to tackle those snowy days. Number 5. Snow Joe SJ618E Electric Snow Blower. Introducing the Snow Joe SJ618E, your solution for easy snow removal. This electric snow blower is designed to make clearing your driveway and walkways a breeze. This snow blower is equipped with a powerful 13-amp motor. It clears up to 580 pounds of snow per minute, providing gas-like performance without the need for fuel or complex maintenance. Take control of where the snow goes with the 180-degree adjustable chute. The deflector lets you throw snow up to 20 feet away, giving you full control over the snow removal process. The two-blade cold-resistant rotor cuts an 18-inch wide and 8-inch deep path. It efficiently clears snow without damaging surfaces like decks or pavements. With its compact design and all-terrain wheels, it's easy to move and control. This allows you to navigate mid-sized areas smoothly and efficiently. What we like. This snow blower boasts a powerful 13-amp motor, ensuring efficient snow removal. The adjustable chute gives you full control over where the snow goes. If you have a medium-sized driveway and want a machine that combines power with control, this is a great choice. What people say. Had an early freeze and heavy snow, and this little machine did an amazing job of taking care of business in my 212 wide driveway on an incline. It has never let me down, knowing, of course, that wet snow does limit its abilities, but 90+% of the time it gets the job done with minimal effort. But the biggest difference is that it is electric, so it always starts for me. This last winter was the worst I've had in this house, but even at age 72, I clear the snow in no time, and when it's wet, I just get a little more of a workout. But, again, this is the best snow blower in my lifetime, and it clears snow quickly and easily. Number 4. Snow Joe SNJ SJ627E 22-inch Electric Snow Blower. This snow blower is equipped with a 15-amp motor, providing gas-like power. It can move up to 840 pounds of snow per minute, efficiently clearing your driveway. With a 22-inch clearing path and 13-inch intake depth, this machine maximizes efficiency. It's perfect for handling light to moderate snowfalls on paved surfaces. You can control where the snow goes with the rotating chute. It adjusts 180 degrees, allowing you to direct snow up to 25 feet away with ease. The heavy-duty all-steel auger features 4 rubber-tipped blades. It delivers ground-level clearing power while protecting surfaces from damage, even in icy conditions. Dual LED headlights illuminate your path for early morning or evening snow removal. Compact wheels offer easy maneuverability in tight spaces. What we like. With its 15-amp motor and wide clearing path, this snow blower is designed for large areas. The dual LED headlights make it easy to clear snow even in the dark. If you are looking for a machine that can handle heavy snowfall and provide excellent visibility, you should consider this one. What people say. Had an early freeze and heavy snow, and this little machine did an amazing job of taking care of business in my 212 wide driveway on an incline. It has never let me down, knowing, of course, that wet snow does limit its abilities, but 90+% of the time it gets the job done with minimal effort. But the biggest difference is that it is electric, so it always starts for me. This last winter was the worst I've had in this house, but even at age 72, I clear the snow in no time, and when it's wet, I just get a little more of a workout. But, again, this is the best snow blower in my lifetime, and it clears snow quickly and easily. Number 3. Snow Joe 24V Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. Introducing the Snow Joe 24V Cordless Snow Shovel Kit. This powerful tool makes removing snow from sidewalks, patios, and steps a breeze during the winter months. It's designed to make your life easier. The Snow Joe features a tough, 2-blade auger that clears an 11-inch wide path. It can throw snow up to 20 feet away. This ensures efficient snow removal. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation with the included battery and charger. You can clear up to 370 square feet on a single charge. No gas or oil is needed. Weighing only 11.8 pounds, this snow shovel is easy to handle and transport. The ergonomic dual-handle design provides comfort and reduces strain. It's perfect for various surfaces. The 400-watt motor moves up to 75 pounds of snow per minute. This makes it ideal for small to medium-sized areas. It's a great solution for your snow removal needs. What we like. This cordless snow shovel offers the ultimate in portability and convenience. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle make it easy to maneuver. If you like clearing snow from decks, steps, or smaller areas without the hassle of cords, this is the perfect option for you. What people say. The Snow Joe is the real deal. This is a durable unit that does what it claims. The unit is powerful and hurls the snow a good 20 feet with no problem. I used it on our back deck. And it works just great. Throws the real good. Plus, I used it on the backyard for an area for the dog to use when she goes out for the bathroom. I'm really impressed with snow shovel. I did have another one, but I had to plug it and had to haul around the cord, then wait until it was warm so I can put it away. I so great to use and throws the snow great. Plus, it easy to use and lightweight. Number 2. Earthwise SN70016 12 amp electric snow shovel. This is the Earthwise SN70016 electric snow shovel. It's designed to make snow removal easier. This powerful tool is perfect for clearing walkways and small driveways. The SN70016 boasts a 12 amp motor, providing the power you need. It can move up to 430 pounds of snow per minute, making quick work of winter weather. With a 16-inch clearing width, this snow shovel efficiently clears a path. It also has an 8-inch clearing depth, ensuring thorough snow removal. The Earthwise snow shovel features 6 rear wheels, making it easy to maneuver. An auxiliary handle and cord retention hook add to its convenience. This corded snow shovel includes a dual curved auger blade for optimal performance. It also has thermal protection to prevent overheating, ensuring its longevity. The power of this electric snow shovel is comparable to a gas-powered snow thrower. It throws snow up to 30 feet, providing excellent snow clearing capabilities. What we like. This electric snow shovel features a powerful 12 amp motor, ensuring efficient snow removal. The 16-inch clearing width helps you clear snow quickly. If you are looking for a reliable and efficient snow shovel with easy transport, you should consider this. What people say. The wheels definitely give it nice stability at the bottom so that you can push it with one hand rather than having to use 2 hands to hold it. Another key note worth mentioning is that you can adjust the angle to spit the snow. I bought the 16-inch wide housing over the 12 to get a little more width, which would equal completing the job sooner. I highly recommend that. Number 1. Greenworks 80V 12-inch cordless snow shovel. This lightweight and powerful snow shovel makes clearing snow a breeze. It's designed to make your winter chores easier. With a 12-inch shoveling width, this tool swiftly clears snow from your path. It helps you get the job done quickly. This snow shovel throws snow aside with ease, thanks to its powerful snow throwing capability. You can clear your walkways and driveways efficiently. It's designed for snow depths of up to 6 inches, tackling average snowfall effectively. This makes it perfect for most winter conditions. Ensure peak performance by using batteries stored at room temperature. Cold batteries might impact starting, so keep them warm. If the unit doesn't start, remove the battery and let it warm indoors for 10 minutes or more. Then, reinstall and try again. What we like. This cordless snow shovel is lightweight and easy to use. It offers a 12-inch shoveling width, making snow removal a breeze. If you like a hassle-free snow removal experience, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The shovel handled about 6 inches of fresh snow without issue. Anything higher required lifting the unit a bit and taking a bit off the top first. Super effective. I especially like that it's only 12 wide, as I can quickly and easily do the porch steps as well. Tilting the shovel forward did a good job getting down to the driveway or sidewalk, even in the packed spots. It moves a_lot_ of snow, and throws it quite far away. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.